Hey YouTube, what is up? We are back for another video, and what we're going to be doing today is, it's pretty simple. It's not even really an install video per se, but we just wanted to document it and show the progress of our Blue Reaper build. But we ended up picking up one of these windscreens from Am, and it's one of the less expensive mods. I think it was only like $79. I'll put a link in the description. But looks like it's made, out of good material, so I don't think we're gonna have any issues with it. Hopefully it lasts a long time. Basically, we want to keep the sun off our back and try to keep the cab, more cleaner, so no mud and anything can go in the back of the unit when we're riding it. So we picked up that, and then we picked up a sport roof. So we just went with the Can-Am again, and this should be a pretty simple job too. Like I said, just kind of wanted to show you the progress of what we're doing to the Blue Reaper. Here we go. This is it. Check it out. It's pretty cool. But this is what we're going to be doing today. Shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't be too long a video. And I think we're going to put the net on first, and then we'll put that on, and then that should be it. We'll show you guys how it looks. Shouldn't be too difficult. But I think we got to take this off. And then I think we have to drill some holes in here. So what we have to do is we have to drill 2 holes right here and put these snaps in. So you're going to need a rivet gun. You're going to need a drill, 1/8" drill bit. So this just snaps into right here. And it's going to be secure and everything, so we should be good to go. So we'll go ahead and get everything set up, and then we'll show you how to do this quick install. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to take off these end caps here, because you're going to want to hook this part right here. I'll show you how to do that once we get the other side off. But I believe this is 30 torques. These just pop right off. So I think the first thing, let's take this off. We're just seeing how that looks. So you have these clips right here, and what you're going to want to do is you're just going to feed it up to the bottom, and that's going to go right into there. And it goes like that. Like that. And this is just going to come right around here and hook into that last hole there. So we got that. And then these just pop right back on. And that part's done. that. And then we gotta, next thing we gotta do is we gotta drill those holes to put those snaps in. So we'll go ahead and let's do that now. So basically, it's got 2 indentations already for you, so you know where to drill the holes. We measured it up with the snaps, and they line up, so we're good. So we're just going to drill 1/8 inch hole. And then we got our 2 rivets they supply you with and the snaps. And we got a rivet gun. And we're just going to feed that in there like that. Just like that, guys. That's simple. Do the same thing on the other side. And then we can put this piece back. And then the last thing we got to do is put the straps on. So you guys can see, nice and tight. See under there? So this is just going to go right back in there. And then this is going to snap. That. Like that. And then we got to put the straps on. Yeah, I believe you just feed these to the buckle. And they go just like that. Same thing with this one down here. I don't know why they didn't make it that simple for these top ones. Okay, so now we got to put these top ones on. So we wanted to show you guys how these straps go because they're a little bit of a pain. But you bring this strap through here. So you bring it up and over and through the top right here. There's one down there. You bring it up like that. And then you're going to bring it through the buckle. Like that. And then you're going to bring it back to the bottom. And you're going to bring this up tight. Like that. And then there you go. I mean, I like it. Show them from the inside. Let's see. So it should help. So the next thing we got to do is we want to put the roof on, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, this is pretty straightforward. These are all the parts you're going to get for each lockdown right here. Basically, you're just gonna put that on there. Then you're gonna feed it up through. And you're gonna put this on. And then this washer goes on right here. Like that. And then this. And then you do that 4 times. And then we'll put it on the roof. Okay, we got this all wrapped up. It's pretty basic. You just got those 4 screws that are on top of the roof. Just put them down, quarter turn, locks it down. Also, we have the 2 straps right here. Just strap that around the roll cage bar and you're good to go there. And bring them around back. Mike, you can show them how it looks from the back. You guys can see the net with the Can-Am logo. Hopefully this is going to help us out on the trail with keeping the sun off the back of our necks. Also from the dust staying in the cab and swirling, breathing in that stuff. This should eliminate that. And then plus the half windshield should help too. And then like I said, when it starts getting colder, we'll probably get a full glass windshield. And that's the route we'll go with that. But if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Also, please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think about this easy install. I'll put links in the description of the video for the net and the sport roof. If you guys are interested in that, you can pick them up off of Amazon. And with that said, I'll see you on our next one.